Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to access a shared folder in Dropbox. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in or are facing any issues, we have created a video regarding that as well. In case you have been invited to a folder, at the top you can see the notification bell. Simply click on it. You will see something like this. You have been invited to edit the folder. Simply hit on join folder. And guys, that's it. That's how we access the shared folder. It is quite easy. Once you have joined the folder, in order to simply look at the folder, what you can do is simply hit on the shared button right here. And from here, this is it. Let's go to the folder section. And this right here is the folder that had been shared with us. And guys, this is it. That's how we access a shared folder in Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.